Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Wi-Fi password on Android phone. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, locate and click on connections. Click on Wi-Fi. Now you should see the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. To change the Wi-Fi password, click on the settings G icon. Now locate and click on forget at the bottom right. Then go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi network again. You'll be prompted to type in the password. Go ahead and type in the new password and then click on connect. And then you'll be able to change the Wi-Fi password and be able to connect to it again. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to change Wi-Fi password on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.